guys, I would like to show you these amazing sheet organizers. They're perfect because I, for example, have different type of sheets in my house, and I have the option to now know with the different colors and the number of in the names like full, king, and queen size. So I'm not gonna be lost, and I'm going to find the different sizes and different sheets that I need in my closet. So we have the full, the queen, and the king, and they come with these attachments, so they're not gonna fall whenever you wash them or dry them. They're gonna stay there, and you're always gonna find the size and the sheet that you want. So this is a great option for anyone in your family, your friends that need these to organize their sheets. This is a great option. I'm going to show you how they look and how they work with the actual sheets. Okay, you guys, so here I have my sheet. This is actually like a queen size, and I'm going to use them here. The queen one, you just open them like this, and whichever you want to put it, just like in a little corner. Let's see, let's do this corner. So we can put it like this, and you just like click it, and as you can see, it stays there. And now you can just like put it away, and you will know that that's your queen sheet.